highlights from match day 3 of Group F of 25 Total Energies Africa Cup of Nations qualifying. Ghana against Sudan, and Ghana looking for their first victory of the campaign. Semenyo couldn't control that ball that came into him at chest height. Instantly knew that he is missed costly, and then Sulemana had a strike for Ghana that was spilled by Mohamed Mustafa in the Sudan goal, but he made no mistake to deny Mohamed Kudus on the follow-up. Kudus looking to score the goal on his maiden appearance as Ghana captain. Semenyo played a neat 1-2 with Jordan Ayew. Antoine Semenyo just couldn't hit the target, only finding the side netting. And then Sudan, a lovely free kick, expertly tipped over by Lawrence Atizigi in the Ghanaian goal. And that launched a flurry of a short 2-minute period of Sudanese pressure on the Ghanaian goal. This header from Kashoum, almost going in, but just drifting wide of the post, and then Iñaki Williams playing it in to Kudus once again. Mustafa really alert in the Sudan goal, always so quick to come out when he spotted danger. He did it time and again in this game, and to really good effect. Alidou Seydou, the only man to score for Ghana in this qualifying campaign. So Williams, who fluffed his lines, but not as badly as Kudus, who couldn't turn the ball over the line from 6 inches. I'm not sure the goal should have stood had it gone in, because Williams looked offside there, as you can see. He definitely got a touch, and he perhaps spared the blushes of Kudus, who could not finish when the whole goal was gaping at his mercy. He came forward again, Kudus trying to find the goal, and then Williams offside again, seemingly forcing a save from Mustafa, and then Abdul Fatawu could only blaze over when the opportunity spilled his way in stoppage time at the end of the game, and still Ghana kept coming forward. Semenyo couldn't get on the end of that cross, and Williams, with just about the last kick of the game, it was the last kick of the game, curled one past the post, and as that drifted past, so too did Ghana's hopes of winning the game. 0-0 in Accra between